In this video, we're going to show you how to replace your low beam bulb located on the outer portion of your headlamp assembly. The process for the driver's side is the same as the passenger side. This bulb fits the 2005 Chrysler 300. We're going to use our flathead screwdriver. We're going to loosen up our intake hose clamp to our airbox. Using our 10mm socket, we're going to go ahead and loosen and remove this bolt. There's two tabs on the front of our airbox. We're just going to pull those back. And this will unlock the airbox from the base. Work the intake tube off and pop this up and off. On the back side is a little vacuum hose. You can just twist this a little bit. Set that aside. Pull the base out, set that aside. That's going to give us access to the back side of our headlamp. Now on the back side of our low beam bulb, I'm going to use my trim tool here. I want to go ahead and move these tabs a little bit to unlock the harness. And I'm going to use my other tool here to go ahead and pop this off. Now that's loose. I'm going to go ahead and reach down. Basically just grab that connector by hand. Go ahead and remove that. Now bulb is right here. I'm going to go ahead and reach in and I'm going to turn that counterclockwise. And then go ahead and twist that and remove that. Now you want to be careful when handling your headlights. You want to be sure not to touch the glass portion of this here with bare hands. Now installing this here, you're going to have three little tabs or keys here. They're going to line up on the back side of your headlamp assembly. You want to go ahead, bring this down, install that into the back of your headlamp assembly. And you'll be able to see it line up in the same position where it would have come out. Now you just want to go ahead and rotate that clockwise, locking it into position. All right, once we have that light bulb facing down at 6 o'clock, I'm going to go ahead and grab your connector here. I'm going to simply line that up on the back of the bulb itself. And press it up and you'll feel it click into place. Install your lower air box down into place. Go ahead and install the bolt here. Just want to make sure that that is snug. Take your airbox lid. I'm going to put the three tabs on the back side of the base itself. Don't forget to install your vacuum hose here that goes on the back side of the airbox lid. So just work that into place. And as you're working this back onto the base, go ahead and work that intake tube in and press down and you'll hear these two snap into place. Double check that vacuum hose on the back. Make sure the intake tube is lined up in place and go ahead and secure that clamp. You're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.